Just pull over. Pull over. This is the police. I'm gonna cut you off. Oh my God. Oh, and it comes with the water. Let's go. Oh my God, Dickey, come on. What's up, guys? I'm on Dickey's GROM. Oh shit, that's your horn. This is fun. Why are you going so slow? Hey, there's a car behind us. Who is it? Is it a cop?
Yeah, we should probably turn right. Let's go. Dude, this thing is nice. If you guys are looking for a 600, this guy's selling it for.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
The channel is JoHondaRR. So if you guys want a super cheap 600, go ahead and check him out.
Oh my God. Dickey, this was a bad idea. Alright, guys. We're taking a break and I'll resume when we get going. Freak. I keep trying to go for the turning signal because on my bike it's right here. And I keep honking his horn instead of hitting the turning signal. Dang it, I did it again. We're going to this abandoned Chevy dealership. Whoa, there's a little crane out there. Let's see if anyone looks. Oh dang, this is steep. Oh, I think I just bottomed out. We got a cop. We got a cop. Yeah, he's in there. Yeah, if you want. Alright. So we're heading out of here because after all that hooligan stuff we just did, there's a cop right there. Hey, cop. Wow, it feels so weird to be back on my bike. See where he's going. Woo! I about went down. Yeah, I'm good. This might be a cop. Oh my God.
This might be a cop.
This might be a cop.
This might be a cop.
Nope. Yeah, it looks like Theo's bike is overheating, so we're gonna have to pull in real quick. Yeah. I wonder what she said.
My camera battery's dead.
Oh goodness. He gotta change his battery out.
Yeah, man. You do too.
What's it at?
1 bar.
It's at 1 bar? Well then, in that case, I'll go ahead and resume once I change my batteries out. So now we're all 4 on the Cenas together, and it's getting pretty hectic over here. Right. Ooh. Look at his chain waving. Still no cops, we're good. Alright guys, well, I am riding TheoFreakinDore's R6. I can tell you right now, it feels so much different than my Honda CBR 600RR. Just trying to take off, I honestly hate the R6's taking off. Just because, you know, you have to hit that rev, and it's like way up here. My bike is like, as soon as you let off the clutch, just wanting to go. I kind of like this deep sound. Mine's more of a high pitch. I have the Yoshimura exhaust. Pretty sure it's like a Two Bros or something like that. There we go. It comes up in second. Yeah. I don't think I've ever seen anyone ever wheelie my bike before, other than Big Smitty. Dang, that feels good. If you guys like my content, go ahead and like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.
Candy paint with the white on top. Lambo doors or the woo up drop. If you busy plotting on what I got, kick in your door and swat you thought. $100,000 on the tabletop. Half price my whip, same price my